Hi, you are welcome to GMats class. Now let's solve this problem together. If 3 is subtracted from 3/4 of a certain number, the result is 30. Find the original number. So the first thing to do in this question is to represent the certain number by an alphabet. So we say let x represent the certain number. So if x represents the certain number, so we can go back to the question now. If 3 is subtracted from 3/4 of a certain number, now we must know what 3/4 is. That's 3/4. 3/4 of a certain number. That's 3/4 of x. So 3/4 of x. That is the same thing as of in mathematics means multiplication. So that's 3/4 times x, and that's 3x/4. So this is 3/4 of x, 3/4 of a certain number. So if 3 is subtracted from 3/4 of a certain number, so 3 is subtracted from this. So we have 3x/4 minus 3. Okay, now we have the result is 30, so the result will be 30. So you have to find the certain or the original number. Now to do this, you multiply through by 4 to clear the fraction, the LCM of the denominators that we have here. So you multiply this by 4, we have 4 times 3x/4 minus 3 times 4 equals to 30 times 4. So when you do that, this cancel this, we have 3x minus 12 equals to 120. 30 times 4 is 120. So you move this one to this other side. So we have 3x equals to 120 plus 12. So we have 3x equals to, when you add this and this together, you have 132. And you now divide both sides by 3. So we have x equals to 132/3. So now 3 goes in 13, that is 4. It remains 1. So you put down 1 in front of these two. 3 goes in 12, that's 4. So therefore the certain number is 44. Okay, so this is the certain number. Now before we move to the second question, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. Now let's move down to the second question. Now 2/3 of a number is added to 7 times the number and the result is 5. Find the number. Now let's take the question again. 2/3 of a number is added to 7 times the number and the result is 5. Find the number. I will start by saying let the number be x. So let the number be x, but we don't know x now, so we want x to represent the number. So let's go back to the question now. 2/3 of a number is added. 2/3. This is 2/3. 2/3 of a number. We don't know that number, so we have represented it with x. So of a number. So in mathematics, of means multiplication. So this is 2/3 times x, and that's what? 2x/3. So this is 2/3 of x. 2/3 of x. Now let's go back to the question again. 2/3 of a number is added to 7 times the number. So this is added to 7 times the number. So 7 times the number is 7x. 7 times x. 7 times the number. The number is x. So 7 times x is 7x. So what is added to 7x? 2/3 of a certain of a number is added to 7 times the number. So it's going to be plus 2x over 3. So this is added to this. All right? And the result is what? 5. The result is 5. That means the answer is 5. Okay, so how do we get x? So you multiply through by the LCM of the denominator, which is 3. So we multiply this by 3. We have 3 times 7x plus 3 times 2x over 3 equals to 5 times 3. All right, so this one will give you 21x plus 3 cancel 3. So we have 2x. And this gives you 15. Okay, so you add this and this together. Now you have 23. So we have 23x equals to 15. So the next thing is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. That is 23. So we have x equals to 15 over 23. So this is the certain number. This is the required number.